Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to create a fade to white effect using Premiere Pro. It is a very straightforward process. First, ensure your footage is placed on the timeline. Navigate over to the Effects panel, click inside the search bar, and type in white. Under the Dissolve folder, you will see the dip to white transition. Drag this effect onto the very end of your video clip and release it. As you can see, the transition has been applied. However, if your clip ends there, the screen might return to black. To fix this and keep the screen white, move your video layer up to the second track. Now, go to your project panel, click the New Item button, and select Color Matte. Click OK on the settings, choose a pure white color, and hit OK again. You can name this layer White before clicking OK one last time. Finally, take this white color matte and place it on the track directly beneath your video clip, starting right where the transition begins. Now, the video will smoothly dip into a solid white background as intended. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. I will see you in the next one.